Hey everybody, I'm Dave. I'm the owner and operator of Indigo Hail Repair. And what I do is I specialize in paintless dent removal to repair hail damaged vehicles. The vehicle right here has got some pretty good hail damage on it. So I'm just gonna walk you through the process of how we do it. So this is what it looks like from my point of view. There's a huge dent right here. This thing's about the size of a baseball. A couple other big ones up here. That's a pretty big one. That one's probably the size of a $50. Another like golf balls. So here's just a real quick example. Here's a little small guy I'm gonna go after first. Get the metal moving, show you how it works. So essentially what I'm doing is I've got a metal tool in my hand from the back side, and I'm making a bunch of precise pushes in a certain manner as to bring this dent out flat and not to disrupt the paint. This is aluminum, so it's quite a bit different than regular steel. If you imagine like having a soda can in your hand and crushing it, that soda can wants to stay in place. It doesn't want to go back into shape. So think about metal rim sunglasses that aren't aluminum, that are like metal. If you bend an arm on your glasses, you can, kind of bend that arm back into place and it wants to go back into shape. So metal has elasticity and memory, and aluminum does not. And this is aluminum, so it wants to just stay dented. So I think we're about done here. That was kind of a small one. That probably took me 50 or 60 pushes maybe, and it's all gone. So we'll get on some of the bigger ones. Okay, the next one I'm going after is a little bit bigger. This one, I don't know, that thing's probably a little bigger than a golf ball. The way that I'm doing this is, it's all from underneath. So there's a lot of braces and things like that on the bottom of this hood. So this dent is located behind this brace. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna slip this tool behind this brace and then massage it out using just the very corner of this tool, really. So you have to be really precise, and it's kind of really unique because I'm fixing something up here from underneath, so it requires a fair bit of hand-eye coordination. So that's the gist on how I fix the hail damage using paintless dent removal. So I'm just gonna go one at a time to every single one of these dents. Each one's gonna be different in a different spot, requiring a different tool. And one at a time, I'm gonna go through this, work them all out, and get rid of all these dents and dimples. All right, so that big dent that was like a baseball is definitely gone. All those other dents that were golf ball size, $50 size, quarter size, and even the smaller ones, nickels and dimes, those are all gone as well. So this hood looks very good. It's ready to go back on the car for the customer, and this job is complete. So I'm all finished with this hail repair. It turned out great. Hail's gone, paint's intact. Customer's gonna be very happy. Now, one thing a saying that kind of always sticks in my head is, you get what you pay for. And when somebody chooses me to repair their vehicle, I want to give them the best service that I possibly can. So I always like to give a little extra added value. Whenever I do the hail vehicle, I'll take out all the hail dents naturally, but I also go through the vehicle, any little door dings, minor dings and dents from maybe shopping carts. I kind of go through the whole vehicle and tidy it up and make it look good. If I see any surface scratches, I'll go through and polish those out for the customer. So this hood, it has some minor scratches on it, not from the repair, but just from wear and tear you know, out in the elements going down the highway. So I'm gonna run a quick buffer over this vehicle just to polish the hood, make it look nice, a little extra added value, just make the job really shine and sparkle. If you have a hail car yourself, please give me a ring. I've been doing this a long time, a couple decades. And this art is much like if you were to go get a tattoo at a tattoo parlor. You wanna make sure that you get somebody who's been doing this for quite some time, because you don't know what the finished product is gonna look like until it's done. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions on hail damage, on your hail damage, feel free to shoot me a message, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.